Welcome to the Doodle Chinese. Let's make learning Chinese fun, simple, and practical. Watch and learn, Bao. Ordering food was hard, but catching a taxi is a piece of cake. I don't have an address, but honestly, this city is overwhelming. Just drive me crazy. Yes, sir, please take us directly to crazy and make it fast.
Ben, drive me crazy is an idiom, not a tourist attraction. The driver thinks we are insane. If you want to go somewhere, you have to tell him a real Chinese place, like railway station, or you have to tell him exactly where you want to go. And Ben, for the rest of this trip, do not open your mouth. If you don't stop snoring on this
飞机，飞机，
I am going to feed you this entire pillow. Wake up! We've landed. Time to find a taxi.
Victory! I finally found it! Look at this beauty!
Ben, that's a toy. The actual green
出租车，出租车，
is parked right behind you.
According to my flawless internal compass, our food is definitely that way.
Your compass is upside down, Ben. The sign clearly says the restaurant is not on the
左边，左边，
Wait for me, Bao! I'm coming for the food! Whoa, whoa!
Just look to the
右边，右边，
and get in the car, Ben, before you tie yourself into a bigger knot.
Ugh, the driver keeps asking where we are going, but my brain has completely left the chat.
Ben, he needs to know.
哪儿，哪儿，
Just tell him the name of the restaurant, not your life story.
Adventure awaits. We shall march forward into the unknown.
We aren't marching to adventure, Ben. We are just randomly walking because you don't know where to.
去，去，
Well, your nose found what your feet couldn't.
Oh my gosh, Bao. My nose has detected the holy grail of food.
Control your nose, Ben. People outside
饭馆，饭馆，
are starting to stare at us. We're racing the clock to the
火车站，火车站，
Hold the train. The legend has arrived.
The legend is currently stuck in the door at the
火车站，
and the train is leaving without your shirt. Okay, these are the key vocabularies. Let's learn them one by one.
So if I'm completely lost in the city, I just walk up to random strangers and shout, "Nah."
Well, you should probably add a place first. Then it means where. But yes, if you look desperate enough, it works as a rescue signal.
哪儿，哪儿，
Perfect. My default setting is desperate anyway. Wait, so if I want to go to the restaurant, I don't say go to the restaurant?
Nope. In Chinese grammar, you don't need the word to. You just say go, then the place name, simple and clean.
Wow. Chinese grammar is saving me so much energy, more energy for eating. Wait, so a restaurant is literally a meal building? A building dedicated entirely to meals?
Exactly.
饭馆，饭馆，饭
Means meal
馆，
and is a building for public activities. It's a dedicated temple for your stomach.
I knew I loved architecture for a reason. Hold on. Did you just say a train is a fire car?
Yes, and a railway station is
火车站，火车站，火车
because back in the day, trains used fire and steam.
站，
Is a station, so literally means fire car station.
Riding a fire car sounds 100 times cooler than riding Amtrak. I'm telling everyone I'm a fire car passenger now. Okay, let me guess. If a train is a fire car, an airplane must be a flying machine?
Spot on, Ben
飞机，飞机，飞
means to fly,
机，
means machine. You're actually getting good at this.
And fei sounds like fly. Boasting to my friends that I traveled across the world on a flying machine makes me feel like a steampunk wizard. Bao, how do I hail that green car over there?
Just say
出租车，出租车，出租
means to rent out,
车
mean car. So you are literally calling a rented car?
Renting a whole car just to go 3 blocks because my feet hurt? That's the kind of luxury I live for. All right, the map says the food is over there. Which side is left?
Left side.
左边，左边，
Remember, in Chinese, we don't just say left, we usually add
边，
to mean the left side.
Got it. If I turn left and don't see food, I'm blaming the map. Wait, I had the map upside down. The restaurant is actually on the other side.
Then it's on the
右边，右边，
right side. So,
左边，
is left,
右边，
is right. Don't mix them up.
Left is zabim, right is zerbim, and wrong is usually whichever direction I choose first. Bow. Why does biān sound like biān?
When you want to say,
边，
say B. And
边，
okay. Today we'll learn one sound.
烟，
This sound can be split in two.
一安，边，
If you still remember the word in our lesson 1,
洗手间，
here it is the same one.
烟，尖，尖，
We also have in our lesson 2,
点菜，
they are all same sound.
烟，点，点，
Oh, it's always ian.
If you can say,
边，尖，点，
you've already beaten one of the tricky parts. See? Chinese isn't impossible. Are you ready for some fun time?
出租车，左边，去，去，去，火车站，哪儿？去饭馆，右边，飞机，
Let's review and read after me.
哪儿？哪儿？去，去，饭馆，饭馆，火车站，火车站，飞机，飞机，出租车，出租车，左边，左边，右边，右边。
Bonus time, where we uncover some fun and quirky cultural facts.
Wow, Bao. This Chinese high-speed train is amazing. It feels like a flying machine on rails.
Haha! Welcome to the modern railway station. But wait, aren't you hungry after traveling?
A little bit. I brought this cold sandwich. Train food is usually just stale snacks, right?
Not in China. Watch this. I just ordered hot kung pao chicken on my phone app.
Wait, we are moving at 350 kilometers per hour? Who is going to deliver it? A superhero?
Even better, he had high-speed delivery network. When our train stops at the next station for just 2 minutes, a delivery person will hand it directly to our train attendant at the platform.
You can get fresh restaurant food delivered to a bullet train? I think my stomach just entered the future.
You've survived taxis, wrong turns, and one dramatic dash to the railway station. Great work today. See you next class.